guys, this is again Amy. Welcome back to my channel. Welcome to look up my canal. So today I'm here to do a demo slash review, and I'm also going to do a swatches for you guys to show how this highlighter look on my skin. So I picked this highlighter from the Bougie shop. If you guys live in Holland, you guys know, check the Bougie shop. But before we jump into this video, please don't forget to like, comment, subscribe and share. Don't forget to follow me on my Instagram and on my Facebook page for more pictures. I picked this highlighter up. When I bought it, it was on sales, but it retails for 10 euros, 11 euros, and it's a very nice. It comes with this really nice gold pinkish packaging. Is really beautiful. You have this really nice mirror in it. That's what I like about it. So it's that it has a mirror, like it's so nice. The pigments here are really nice. The pigments are really beautiful. So I'm going to do swatches for you guys. Please excuse my swatches. You guys know I'm not really good at it, so I'm just trying my best. I just want to show you guys how it look like. You guys can see it looks really pigment. The pigment is really beautiful, and I'm going to try this second shade. Like this second shade, it's so pigment when you use it to highlight your brow bone, or like when you put it in the inner corner of your eyes. It's such a beautiful color. I want to see if I can pull that one as an eyeshadow. I'm gonna try that one day very soon, anytime soon from now. So then we're going to try this other shadow, which of course is also very beautiful. This other highlighter, my favorite is the gold. The gold one is my favorite one. I really like how this look on my skin, and it's very pigment. So when you're applying this highlighter, a little go a long way. If you want to blind people's eyes, then you can add more, but if you just want a normal, just a simple highlighter, just take a little bit go a long way. And I really like how it looks. I really do like how it looks. So now it's time to highlight. I'm going to take you guys can see my face is looking kind of boring right now. I have no highlighter, but when I highlight, everything look perfect. So now I'm just going to take this one and I'm going to use it to highlight my brow bone. You guys are going to see the pigment. Do you guys see that? It's like blinding. The pigment is so beautiful, and I really like how it looks. I'm just gonna like brush it a little bit, just like brush it. You guys can see how that looks. You guys can see my eyebrow is awake, and look, can you see the difference, the other one with this one? But yeah, these shadows are really pigment. They're really beautiful. Okay, that was a little bit too much. I'm just going to take my brush and just go in a little bit to just like blend the shadow, the highlighter with the shadow, just a little bit, just to get rid of that harsh line, because the pigment was really standing out. It was really beautiful. And I'm going to highlight my nose. I'm going to take the gold one, because that is like my favorite color. That is so beautiful. It looks so beautiful on my skin, that gold color, and I really like how it looks. I'm gonna show you guys how I get this look together, like the eyes and everything. I did a tutorial on the eyes. I'm gonna show you guys how I get that. So if you guys are interested, stay tuned for that video. So now I'm going to take that shadow, that's kind of white one, the one I used to highlight my brow. Excuse, I have to sneeze because the hot, the fan, everything. So I'm going to take that, I'm going to put it in the inner corner of my eyes, and you guys going to see it looks so beautiful. It looks so nice. You guys see that? It just makes my eyes kind of like stand out, because I really have like a small eye. Especially when I do eyeliner, it just makes, I have this Amando eye. I don't know how people call it, like Amando. But actually when I do put a highlighter in the inner corner of my eyes, it makes my eyes really stand out. But if I don't put like an eyeliner highlighter, and sometimes when I don't wear mascara on my eyes really look tiny. I can't wear false lashes just because I have allergic reaction to it. So yeah, so I hope you guys like this video. If you guys do, please don't forget to like, comment, subscribe and share. Don't forget to follow me on my Instagram and on my Facebook like page for more pictures. This is your girl Amy, and I hope to see you guys very soon. So this is the finished result with a highlighter. I really like the way it looked. I'm sorry that I couldn't do a talk through because of the heat and the kids in the background, so I'm just have to do a voiceover with showing you how I apply it. But I really love the highlighter. The pigment is really beautiful. I can't wait to come back and play with this highlighter more. If you guys like this video, please don't forget to like, comment, subscribe and share. Don't forget to follow me on my Instagram and on my Facebook like page for more pictures, and I'll definitely post a look on this look, the eye look that I'm wearing. I hope you guys like this video. This is je Amy. Vergeet niet abonneren, vergeet mij niet te volgen op mijn Instagram kanaal. Hoop ik jullie zo snel mogelijk te zien. Doeg! Bye!